2018 Toyota RAV4. The 2018 Toyota RAV4 finishes in the bottom half of our rankings. Its drab cabin materials give it a low-rent feeling compared to rivals. However, this crossover offers stable handling and lots of standard driver assistance and advanced safety features. Is the Toyota RAV4 a good SUV? The RAV4's current generation has a good predicted reliability rating, and it earns praise for being solid and well-built. Admirable crash test scores and a wealth of safety technology also make the RAV4 a decent SUV. Its cargo space is among the highest in the class. Should I buy the Toyota RAV4? You should buy the 2018 RAV4 if you're looking for a compact SUV that offers lots of room for passengers and cargo. It makes an excellent family hauler as well, with excellent safety credentials. Still, there are class competitors that are more well-rounded and outperform the RAV4 in our rankings. You also might consider the Mazda CX-5, which delivers many miles per hour, or the classy and cavernous Honda CR-V. The Nissan Rogue is another solid choice that is comparable to the RAV4 in many ways. We did the research for you, 42 reviews analyzed. For our 2018 Toyota RAV4 full review, we researched dozens of professional evaluations, along with safety scores, reliability data, and fuel economy estimates, to help you make the best buying decision possible. Toyota redesigned the RAV4 for the 2013 model year and has made a few minor updates since. Therefore, our overview incorporates applicable data and reviews from the 2013 through 2018 model years. We cover the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid in a separate review. Why you can trust us. U.S. News & World Report has been ranking and reviewing cars, trucks, and SUVs since 2007, and our editorial team has more than 75 years of combined experience in the auto industry. To ensure our full reviews are unbiased, we don't accept expensive gifts or incentives from car companies, and a third party handles our advertising. How much does the Toyota RAV4 cost? Prices for a new Toyota RAV4 start at $24,410, which is on the high end for a compact SUV. In addition to the baselit trim, the Toyota offers this crossover in XLE, $25,500, all-new Adventure, $27,700, SE, $28,790, Limited, $30,905, and range-topping Platinum, $34,750. Trim levels. Front-wheel drive is standard in every model, and you can upgrade most to all-wheel drive for $1,400.